everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is going to be for Jenny. Jenny, thank you for being a patron again this month. I'm going to do a chic fall spread using this really pretty, which I've already used this sheet or these sheets before, but thankfully in this book there are duplicates of each sheet. So it's this really pretty theme right here. It's like a neutral fall. These right here. Now, I did do a spread, like I said, I did a spread earlier with featuring this book. This is a vertical spread, and this one I will be doing a horizontal spread. So it's gonna look somewhat similar, but these boxes I believe I pulled from this book. Yeah, I did, but I don't have any more of those of that color anymore, so I'm gonna pull some bold and blush stickers because it's kind of similar and go from there. So let me get, and I want to see, I feel like it's going to be pretty similar to the vertical that I did, but we shall see. Like, I have this corner piece here, and basically where I put it in my vertical, that's where it's going to go in the horizontal. So I have it here. So I'm just going to stick this here since it is for this corner. Well, either this corner or this one, but I like it here. Okay, so there's that one. This piece, I actually did use this one in my vertical spread, in the corner on that side. I don't want to put it in the corner there, but I'm thinking I could put it in the corner over here. So kind of similar, but a little different. Taking some inspiration from my own spread. Oh no, it's stuck on the table. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this off. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna use, I'm just gonna put this, whoop, I didn't want it exactly there, but I'm just gonna put it here, and then I'm just gonna start layering boxes. All right, so let me go into, I have big one, big sticker book. See my boxes? Okay, I have this nice one right here, and I believe Jenny uses this for journaling in this planner. So this is a nice like journaling type of sticker. Now I do have like decorative stickers as well. Like I kind of want to use, ooh, I like this book. Oh, it's a book with coffee. Okay, let me save this so I can use that. Maybe, I'm gonna cut the bottom off to make it a little flat. It says a quiet afternoon, a candle for a quiet afternoon. That's cute. Look how pretty that already looks. All right, love that. I do have black in here because I feel like that was a cute combo. Oh, I have circle stickers. I didn't do circles in the other one, but I think circles would be cool in this spread. And I'm gonna pull, sorry, I'm doing it off camera, but I want a little leaf. Stick that there. Pretty. And I go to this page. This is the page I didn't use, but I kind of ripped it, which is, you know what, let me take it out. I ripped it. I was trying to pull it out earlier, or last spread, but was not successful in doing that. So I like these little pieces for here in the corner on the sides. But yeah, that looks good. And look at that. I finished a page in this book. I'm gonna toss that. Ooh, I have nice quotes too. kind of like this one. Choose happy today. Maybe I should put it here. So I have this nice big black quote or box. This would be good over here. But let me see what I want to layer with it. I definitely want to put this. So I like this book. So maybe in the corner over here. And then go back to the flowers. And just gonna grab one of these. I'm gonna grab a leaf. Layer that together. I think that looks pretty good. And I'm gonna stick it here. Cool. Pretty, pretty. Okay, going back to the decorative stuff. So I want to stick something, maybe this. Okay, I already got a coffee. Maybe this hot or little pitcher with flowers. That's what's going on there. Okay, let me cut this flat. Stick this here. Okay, I want a box to layer with this though. So going back in here and see if I can find a box. Oh, I have these. I'm gonna pull this. Maybe this too. Got lots of foiled, but foiled is never my first option. So kind of don't want to use it. I thought I had more boxes. Maybe in my other book. I might have more. Okay, let me see here. I've gotten good use out of this book, which has been nice. As you can see. Okay. Okay. I do have these small ones. I'm just gonna go with it. We'll just introduce this color into the spread. Okay, because I think I have a couple of the boxes, so I think it should be fine. All right, so I'm gonna stick one over here. And then I have these, so I can use these. Oops. Just to add that other color. And I'm gonna do this one down here. Okay. I think that kind of takes care of that. So that's good. And then I can use the bullet points from this one too. But before I do that, I'm gonna go with more decor. More of these little stars. Just kind of sprinkle them around the spread a little bit. See what other thing I can add. I already did the book. Another candle maybe? Or I might do the pillows. The pillows are comfy, cozy. Okay, I also need more flowers because I don't have enough flowers. So let me go back to the flowers. Okay, let's see, how did I do them over here? Oh yeah, I was just kind of layering them. Kind of on the sides too. I have have this piece. Just gonna stick down here. This piece, I'm gonna stick in the corner. Just gonna stick a couple in some corners. One there, and let's do, I feel like this side looks pretty good. I don't want to fill up this side anymore because it has a lot. This side could use a little bit more something. So cut this off. My non-stick scissors are no longer non-stick. They are very sticky. I guess I gotta clean them. But I thought they were like stay non-stick. Okay, yeah, this side looks good. I'm just gonna add in a couple of bullet points, and then I might add in some washi. I might actually do the same washi I did on the other side. Or sorry, on the other spread. Oh no, I only have, oh no, I have more. I have a whole other sheet. Oh geez, okay. Like I said, I like that color, so I've used it quite a bit. That's okay, that's a good color. Oh, what did I put in the middle? Here. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a couple of bullet points on the spread, because I literally only have like 4 that I can use. Actually 5, I have 5. So I guess I'll just use them all because I have them to use. Let's stick one here. Okay, so those are all the bullet points. That helped to make it look a little fuller over here, so that's good. I think I need maybe another leaf. I only have 1 leaf here. Okay, so I have a leaf. Okay, I like that. But I do want to get, I didn't put like a quote over here, but I don't think I have enough room for a quote. Unless I put this, it says all the love. Oh, it's not the right color. Oops, my bad. It's not the right color at all. Okay, I have, I really like that color because I've used it probably the most out of all these books. It's a good color though. Yeah, okay, let me look at the big one. I like these. Okay, I just put it there. It says love this. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. And then the washi that I used in the other spread was this heart one. So I'm gonna go with this one. I put top and bottom, but I don't think I'm gonna do that in this spread because I put that sticker there. So it'll go on the bottom over here. Oops. And top over here. I feel like the little goes a long way with that one. So that is gonna be it for this spread. I think it turned out really pretty. Although, hold on, wait a minute. I wanna stick 2 more stickers down now that I'm looking at it. I realize I only have like 2 black stickers and I don't like that. So I'm just gonna grab some little boxes so I can just add a couple. I'll do one here and one here. Sometimes I think I'm done and then I'm like, no, 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 not quite yet. Oh, geez, not like that. My bad. Let's do it here. Here, here. That's better. I didn't want it to be the same across each page. Okay, just to balance it a little bit more. All right, now I'm done. Now it's finished, now it's perfect. All right, so that's gonna be my spread for Jennie. Jennie, I hope you like your spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching this plan with me. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you wanna see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.